Hello, I'm Lauren from Holy Beautiful, and today we are going to talk about an amazing hair care line that will heal any signs of dryness, brittleness in your hair. Stick around. I'm really excited about this one because I am a licensed hairdresser and I know good hair products when I use them, all right? Okay, so what we are talking about today is Iles Formula. So this is like a very new to me line. I feel like I had seen it on some retailer's website browsing late at night one time, totally forgot about it. And then a girlfriend from a salon I used to work at posted about it. And I was like, oh my God, I've seen that before. I remember wanting to try it. Let's do it. So I ordered their like signature collection box. Oh, wrong way, sorry. Their signature collection box, which you get 3 products in it. There is the shampoo, the conditioner, and the finishing serum. And, hold on. There's also a comb in there, like a wide tooth comb so you can distribute your conditioner, your products, whatever. So if you've been following me this year, you might have noticed I bleached the crap out of my hair. My hair has gone from red to dark, and now here we are with this blonde situation. So even though my hair is strong, I use bond builders and things like that to keep my hair really healthy when I bleach and color and stuff. I am still left with that post-bleach dryness, right? And so I recently changed my hair dryer, which really helped, but I noticed my hair still felt kind of dry and kind of brittle, even though it's not breaking off. So I was like, you know what? I probably need to try some different products to really help moisturize and nourish my hair. So I ordered this Iles Formula kit. It was not cheap. She's hefty, all right? This was like $129 for this little kit that I bought. And the bottles, like, they're not huge. I'm gonna be real honest with you here. They are not big bottles. Like, they're little, okay? So you're probably wondering, was it worth it? Yes. Yes, it was. This has been incredibly nourishing for my hair. I feel like when I run my fingers through my hair, it feels like different hair. It's incredibly silky and soft and not dry. Like, it lays a lot smoother. I don't end up with the same amount of frizz that I had before. I don't know, guys. Like, it's really good. They use some ingredients like macadamia oil, which really adds some moisture, B5, vitamin B5, vitamin E, panthenol. What was the name of that one? It's like Takuma seed butter, which has some fatty acids and polyphenols to really, nourish the hair from the inside out. There was Pracaxi oil, which helps to smooth and add some shine. And let me tell you, like, it works. There's also some silk proteins in some of the products. And there was another one called, I'm gonna butcher this, Microbial seed oil. It adds some softness and gloss, and it helps to add some strength to the hair while it's wet. I probably butchered the way that's pronounced, and I'm so sorry. The other thing I want to mention is that this line is really pH balanced, and it leans more on the acidic side. It's usually from 4.0 to, I think 6.0 was the highest on there. And the nice thing about a line that skews a little more acidic is it's going to help smooth down the cuticle of the hair. You'll see different like people touting like vinegar rinses for the hair and things like that. This is the same kind of concept. You want something that is slightly more acidic to really lay down that cuticle, to smooth it out, to add that shine and gloss to the hair. Can we just take a minute to be like, wow, my hair actually has some shine? That is so hard to do on blonde hair. That is all I'm saying. All right. Especially hair that has been really heavily bleached. This is really, I would say, transformed my hair. So let's talk a little bit about each of the products. The shampoo is incredibly luxurious. It is sulfate free, but it lathers like a shampoo that has sulfates in it, which is shocking to me. I only use like a quarter size amount. I use just a tiny amount on my hair. I don't need a lot. And my hair is pretty long, okay? Like you put it on the roots, start scrubbing, add a little more water, rub a little more, and it doesn't strip the hair, which is what I think is so amazing about it. Because so many shampoos, like after you finish, your hair feels like knotted and matted, and like you need a conditioner immediately after to, regain your sanity so you don't have like a mop on your head. This doesn't do that. It leaves the hair feeling clean, but not stripped. The conditioner, I also use just a tiny bit, and I work from like kind of the mid strand down towards the ends, and it adds a lot of slip to the hair. It feels very lightweight in the hair. It doesn't feel heavy like it's weighing your hair down. And that's something for me. I have very fine hair. That's really important. I don't want something overly heavy. And this does a fantastic job just nourishing those ends of the hair, make it feel really soft and silky, but not heavy. And I really love that. And then the final product in this little box that I got is the finishing serum, which helps with just kind of detangling, and it adds some heat and UV protectant to the hair. And I just think that this is a really great product. I have found I prefer it in my hair when it's wet. I blow dry my hair. I like having that additional protection right from the get-go. So, but it also, you can use it in dry hair too, just to help smooth it out. And, you know, it's pretty lightweight, but it'll kill any frizz in your hair, which is really nice. The last thing in this box is the comb that they send. It's a wide tooth comb for, you know, combing through your conditioner and your products, what have you. And it's a really, like, I like the overall size and shape of this comb. I think the only thing I would say about it is that I wish it was made of a different material, because I feel like it's a little flimsy. And it's not like you're buying the box for the comb, right? But like, they also sell this on their website individually. And personally, I would just like to see like a firmer material, kind of like a carbon comb. But I mean, it's a nice little like bonus add-in to this box, I will say. They also sent me some samples of their Curl Revive, and I was very curious because my hair is naturally wavy, and sometimes like when I use a curl product, I can really amp up the wave in my hair and wear it more natural. But I feel like the Curl Revive formula just doesn't have enough hold. It adds a lot of moisture. It adds a lot of kind of bounciness and shine and softness to the hair, but it didn't really add a lot of structure. So when you have a softer wave like mine, it didn't really keep my texture like scrunched up, you know? I don't like crunchy hair at all, but like I do need a little bit of something to add shape and structure to my waves, or else they just kind of turn into nothing. But I will say, my daughter is almost 2, and she has the cutest, tightest little ringlets ever. And I put curl product on her hair all the time. I'm constantly like chasing her around and like scrunching up her hair. And so one morning I sprayed some water on her hair and I put a little bit of Curl Revive on it, worked it all in, and she had the most beautiful, soft little ringlets all day long. So bouncy and soft and not frizzy. It's like really great if you have a more structured curl. The other thing about the Curl Revive formula that's kind of interesting is it's silicone free. So it's really good if you do curly girl method and you avoid silicones. This is a great product for you. But it doesn't have silicones. It uses coconut alkanes instead of those silicones. And I feel like the name of it, while it's good for curly hair, it's also really good if your hair is straight and you want to add a lot of moisture and shine and smoothness to the ends of your hair. Like I love using that product on my hair when it's dry instead of using like a silicone based oil. It's so good on the ends of the hair if your hair is straight. So don't let the name deceive you. It may say Curl Revive, but it's a really rich cream to run through the ends of the hair. And while it's really rich, it doesn't seem to weigh my hair down, which is really nice. So next time I place an order, I will be ordering the Curl Revive, and they have a hair mask, which I would love to try. Yeah, I love this line. It's expensive. It's really expensive, but it is so worth it. I am a huge fan. You can actually try like a sample travel kit they're gonna come out with very soon. It's on their website. They just haven't like launched it yet. And it's $32, and you can try different shampoo sachets, conditioners, and they send you with the finishing serum and the comb. So I think that's a really great way to see if you like this line. They also have other sets kind of similar to the one that I purchased, but they have one for curly hair. They have one, instead of having the finishing serum, you can get the hair mask instead. You know, they've got some different options, like if this is something that you want to try out. But like, I will just say, like, this line for me is like hairdresser approved. I think it's incredible. It leaves your hair feeling so soft and amazing. And I didn't even tell you guys, like, it smells so good. Like, if they made a perfume or a body lotion or something like that, like, I'd be like, yes, please. Can I have it? Can I get some of that? It smells so good. I feel like they describe it as like a white floral fragrance, but it has like this like kind of creamy woodsy base to it. So it's like, you do get that floral, but it also, it smells like a hug. Like, it smells like you're curled up in like clean linens and there's a breeze wafting in, and it's just like a hug. It's so good. I love, love, love the fragrance here. And I feel like it's very original to this line. Like, I feel like so many lines play it safe and use like a citrus because I think everybody loves citrus. I personally don't love citrus products. Like, they don't wear well with my body chemistry, and they end up smelling kind of funky a lot of times. They don't smell great. This stuff smells amazing, and I feel like scent tends to linger in the hair for a long time, and this is like such a beautiful scent to like keep smelling throughout the day. Highly recommend giving it a try if your hair is like damaged and matted and dry and gross feeling the way that mine was, because it'll give you like really silky soft hair, and I don't think you'll regret it one bit. I hope that this little kind of review was helpful for you. If it was, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. It helps other people to find this so I can continue bringing you these type of reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.